Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can add attachments to your tasks and work items in the plain team management application, like for example, PDFs, instructions, images, files in JPEG, PNG file format, and so on and so forth, for example, for your team members. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your project in the plain project management application, and here to the left you will see the work items list. So select it, and after that go through your list of tasks or work items within the given project and click into the given one you would like to add an attachment. And after that you will see that editing menu here to the right, and you will find the attach button here to the right with that paperclip icon, guys. Once you click into it, simply locate the given file on your device and attach it to your work item, so that anyone who has access to a work item or task, for example your project or workspace members, may see the given instruction in PDF file format, for example, or any other attached files within the given task. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.